Hi my darlings, welcome back to another video. Thanks for tuning in. If you are a lover of pancake, let me show you another exciting way to enjoy your pancake. So guys, in a bowl, add some egg, follow up, add a milk, vegetable oil, and you want to add a little bit of water, some vanilla extract to add some flavors, add baking soda, and mix this together till it starts foaming. And then you want to pop in your sugar, some of the flowers. Guys, the measurement is gonna be in my description box, okay? So mix till you get this consistency, and then in a hot pan, grease it with butter or oil, whatever you like, and start popping in your pancake mix in there. Guys, please cook on a low to medium heat, okay? When it's ready from the other side, I think you can tell when the other side is ready to be flipped. Flip it and cook the top part a little while, and once that part also is ready, you want to fold your pancake into two and place it in a bowl, okay? Turn the heat down with a scissors. You want to cut this pancake into two. So guys, you're gonna be doing this whenever you bring it out. You cut it open when it's still very hot, because you need the heat to melt that chocolate a little bit and give it that chocolate delicious. Oh my goodness, you can use any candy of your choice, okay? Now place your chocolate bar in the middle and fold like so. And guys, that's it. Allow the heat from the pancake to do the magic of melting that a little bit, and a yummy pancake is ready to be devoured. This is gonna be the kids' favorite pancake if you try it. So guys, that's it from me today. I want to say a big thank you to both my old and new subscribers. You guys mean the world to me, and without you guys, I'm not gonna be here creating content. And I also want to say thank you for always coming back to like, comment, and watch my videos. You guys are the best. If you're stopping by here for the first time, my name is Ogechi, and if you like our kind of content, please consider subscribing to become part of this amazing family. Bye guys, I'll see you in my next video.